Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I will be away from campus on Friday, October 22nd. I was not expecting this. I didn't know this most of Thursday, but it's a good thing, and I'll be back on Monday, so that's also good. So here's what I expect. Okay, so in math, you start the class with the 5 minutes of the diagnostic. Please do not be tempted to go anywhere else but IXL when you open your computer. Please don't read the news. Please just get down to business. Thank you so much. At about 8:20, which is about 5 minutes in, you guys are going to start working on your cumulative test 4B reflections. Those should be on your desk. Now, this test that we took today, you guys did a great job. I had 400s. That's the most I've had all year. So those of you that got 100, you don't have to do reflections because there's no corrections. Those of you that are still working on that 100, that's fine. It wasn't a bad test by any stretch of the imagination. You guys are doing great. If you don't have a reflection page, then you're just going to move on to the next thing. Okay, if you do have a reflection, it's not due until Tuesday, but you have the time today to do it. And most of you did not miss but 2 or 3 problems at most. If you do have some questions about the ones that you missed, you're welcome to ask me on Monday or send me an email, either way. And I can help you and make sure that you understand how to do those. But if you have something quick that you can, 1 or 2 questions you can finish, I would finish those and put them in my box and let it go. So for those who don't have the 4B reflections, you can go directly to the Lesson 27 practice set video. I'm assuming you've already done the Lesson 27 video notes. Let's go to Lessons 27 is going to be here. 27. There's the video notes. This is just an assignment to put on your calendar. Since I don't take a grade for written practice, we're going to talk about that here in just a second. The video that they use for the notes, here's the practice set video. Okay, so you'll want to watch that. You might want to take notes on that in your spiral if it's something that's new. Otherwise, just let it go. I will tell you this, I have restocked all of the headphones. So if you do not have headphones, normal headphones that you use either for Rosetta Stone or what have you, in the 6th grade box, the little tackle box that has all the little headphones in it, I've put headphones in everybody's. I know that those headphones are very cheap. They break. You let me know. I'll give you another pair. But I restocked them this afternoon, so if you need headphones, they're in there. Once you finish watching the practice set video, right? I want you to go ahead and start the written practice. Okay? It will help you more if you start the written practice, and then if you get stuck on the starred problems, you go back and watch the starred problems video. There's a part 2 coming, but you watch them later. If you watch the starred problems videos without trying the problems ahead of time, you are doing yourself a disservice. Okay? I know it's easier to watch the video than to actually do the problems, but have you learned anything? Just asking questions. Okay. And if you finish the written practice and you've checked it with the key, you've got the Lesson 28 video notes on your desk. And of course, that's, if I go back here and I go to Lesson 28, there's the video notes right there. So you should be good to go. One thing I'm considering, because I'm not sure how many of you are actually doing the written practice, one thing I'm considering is having like a 5-question quiz at the end of the week. Just taking some non-starred problems from the written practice that, since nobody has any questions about them or anything, I'm thinking about starting something like that. And we can talk about that more on Monday. Just kind of as a spot check. Your test grades are really good, so I might kind of continue the way they are, but I'm kind of considering, after seeing some different things, that might want to spot check that written practice. So that might be coming. We'll talk about it later. And if you have any questions about anything that we're supposed to be doing here, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a great Friday and a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.